Better integration with Google Assistant would have been great. Bit of a lag sometimes due to cloud, and cannot view in Google Fit as one has to cast it to a screen via Google Assistant. 4 stars. The most reliable, affordable, US brand, Google/Alexa compatible pan cam in the market. 5 stars. Already had been asked about it and where to buy it. Good purchase. 5 stars. Night vision, control and move with your cell phone, move horizontal and vertical. The camera is a stylish one and very good quality, gives you notifications. This is great, I fully recommend this one over other ones. 5 stars. Amazing cam for the dollars. Clear crisp pic, very happy, just bought the second one. 5 stars. Great camera at a fair price. Does everything it says. 5 stars. Overall a great cost-effective product, easy to install and monitor. We even took it with us while we traveled to India and it was easy to use there as well. 5 stars. Great home security without all the additional costs of maintenance and monthly service fees. The only issue I have is with the motion detection. It appears to have an issue deciphering between actual people and the television and/or pets. 5 stars. Can't get any comparable cams for less. Good cams, though the control of motion is choppy, not smooth. Can take photos from cam. Has 360p or HD, and can place memory card into slot. 4 stars. Great camera. Great price. 5 stars. Great camera. Awesome picture quality and lots of features. Best camera for under $50. I'm really happy with my purchase. 5 stars. A gift for my daughter-in-law. One child wakes very early. She can watch him in the playroom while she gets a bit of a lie-in. She loves it. 5 stars. Great buy. Use it to check on the dogs when I am not home. 5 stars. Best money I've spent in a while. Gives me ease knowing I'm able to check on my home and kids while I am away. 5 stars. Bought this to use as a baby monitor in my son's room. I like that you can change the motion alerts to only go off at certain times of day so my phone isn't constantly buzzing in my pocket if my guy is playing with toys outside of nap or bedtime. The picture is super clear and allows you to zoom way in. Night vision is clear as well. We bought a wall mount that's worked beautifully to put it up and out of little toddler hands. 5 stars. Pretty cool product, but when the service goes out it acts up a bit. Had trouble connecting and called the customer service. No waiting and he stepped though all he knew. Be sure to look at your firewall settings. A list of ports is on the website. Check that first or set to a lower protect. I am looking to purchasing one more soon. 5 stars. As always, be sure to let me know your thoughts down in the comments. Be sure to smash that like button. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I will catch you in the next video.